So after getting our confirmation from these time frames from M15 and M30, you can see the change of character that the market made. So we are able to enter on a retest to our zone. Remember, this was the low, as always tell you. It was broken. You can see it was broken. Then it came for the retracement to an order block right here. There was an order block that the market had to retest here. Then you can see how it is reacting. Now we have entered some positions. Now we are waiting for the market to move down. We are targeting a certain high as always, a certain low right here, as always we do it. So we are waiting to see how the market will move. Okay, so let's wait for it for some time and it moves. We can even enter more positions from right here because it is bearish. You can enter more positions right there and you wait for the market to reach your TP, right? So as you can see, our trade, it is moving after the confirmation that it gave us and after reaching our zone order block. After it reached our order block, after making a change of character right here. So you can see here the trade is moving. Even the positions we added, they are moving. Even if you go to the lower time frame, you can see a very clear direction. So we are targeting somewhere here. Okay, so now I'll update you when we reach on the TP level, guys. Okay, so now this is a very good strategy that you can use to grow your small account. $10, $15, $50. You can use any amount that you have to grow your account, right? So with this strategy, you can even add it with these moving averages, right? You can see now it has started moving below our moving average on a smaller time frame, which is good. As you can see here, the market has moved successfully and it is about to hit our TP after this confirmation that we got on our 15-minute time frame, a change of character. So you see, it is about to hit our TP. We have moved almost 30 pips with this scalping method that we are using. Can you see this time frame? Okay, so our small account is just going and moving successfully. So this is the best strategy that you can use to grow your small account. You can add two moving averages. There's a 15 and 20 moving average. Then you add it with your SMC strategy, which is change of character, order blocks, and the fair value gaps for you to trade this. Okay, so if you like me to teach this video, teach this strategy in detail, comment down there. I'll teach it in detail and I'll show you how to use it and how I was able to make all this profit on my small account. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like to this video.